Hey you, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny from Owls and Indigo and I make videos about journaling. Today it's time for the private monthly journaling prompt. We're going to be talking about how to learn from your past. This writing prompt is inspired by the Sun Tarot card and the Cobra card from the Wild Unknown Tarot deck and Spirit Animal decks, which you can find linked down below. The Sun centers around the concepts of vitality, enlightenment, nourishing, and healing. The Cobra centers around the concepts of pausing, waiting, and the inner teacher. Make sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share this video to grow the Owls and Indigo tribe. It really helps me when you do. When we feel lost and need advice, we tend to feel isolated and look outward to others for help instead of inwards first, or even at all. This makes sense because humans thrive on community and interaction with others. We also, as humans, tend to rely heavily on symbols and what they represent as a means of navigating the world around us. The older, wiser person or entity is who we seek answers from when we feel lost and need advice. Someone else always has the answers and we never do. Why is it that we always look outward and neglect our own past experiences when we feel lost? Why can't we validate and trust ourselves to give ourselves that advice that we're looking for? Why does this trust and validation always fall to someone else? Sometimes it's helpful to imagine that we're talking to someone else when we need guidance. But in life, there are no magical beings that are waiting to show us the way and tell us what to do when we're lost. The only one that we can ever truly rely on to show us the way is ourselves. Even though we may feel lost, we always have the answers to move forward because of our past experiences. These answers and sense of knowing what to do come from within ourselves. But sometimes these answers manifest themselves as someone else we trust or see as wiser, externally telling us or advising us on what to do. Some common examples of this are spirit guides, guardian angels, prophetic dreams, or AKA your subconscious. Remember that you are the one that is appearing before you. It is your subconscious that you're entering into a dialogue with that appears to have all of the answers. It is you. You already have the answers and know what needs to be done based on your past lived experiences. You know more than you realize and are wiser than you give yourself credit for. How can you learn from your own past when you feel lost and need advice? How can you tap into your subconscious actively and consciously to get the answers from your past experiences? Now let's get into my journal for my answer to the same journaling prompt. There's a technique that I really like that I don't employ enough when I'm struggling to find answers. It's talking to myself as if I was a friend and not me. I also find a lot of success by imagining that I'm talking to a different past or future version of myself. I know that I already have the answers, and I just need to calm down enough to think it through. To really make this work, I like to imagine my other self in as much vivid detail as possible, from hair, outfit, to even setting, before I start asking and digging for answers. What was your answer to this month's prompt? If you like thought-provoking journaling prompts and tarot, then check out my 2 guided journals, A Year of Spiritual Growth and Mindful Goal Setting, 365 daily journaling prompts. It includes 365 daily prompts, morning and evening reflections, quarterly reviews, a mid-year check-in, an end-of-the-year review, and a simple visualization to help you actually see what your goals will look like once you've accomplished them. The link is in the description. If you're like me and love tarot, then get my book, The Daily Tarot Journal, Uncovering the Art of the One-Card Tarot Reading. It includes 3 monthly overview spreads, 3 monthly tarot logs, daily journal pages with 8 prompts, and 3 end-of-the-month reviews. Order your copies of both journals today. The link is in the description. I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!